I'm about to give my garden table a makeover, then I realised I actually never showed you how I built in the first place. So let me catch you up to speed. Let's build an outdoor dining table. Let's start by getting some timber. I'm using outdoor treated timber for this project, and I'm using planks on the top that are 182 centimeters by 14.5 by 2 centimeters. The frame is made from timber that's 5 by 5 centimeters, and the legs are a wood that's 7 by 7 centimeters. I'm also using my saw, drill bits, screws, and my sander. Let's start with the table legs. It is the wood that's 7 by 7 centimeters. I measured it to 70 centimeters in length, cut this to size, and then sanded it as smooth as I could. This is quite rough timber, but a bit of sand and you get them nice and smooth. And you need to cut 4 of these. Then I moved on to the frame. For this I used a timber that's 5 by 5 centimeters. You need 2 long lengths. Mine are 153 centimeters. I cut these and sand them smooth. And then you also need some middle pieces, 2 pieces of 50 centimeters and 1 piece of 40 centimeters. So I'm going to put the frame pieces together, line them up to long pieces, then the 50 centimeters one go at the end, and in the middle you have the 40 centimeter piece. Now I'm going to mark where I need to drill the holes so I can attach this together. Drill the holes, and then you're going to screw your frame together. And with the frame made, it's time to attach the legs. These sit on the inside of the frame in the corners. I'm going to mark where I need to drill the holes to attach the leg to the frame. It's going to be 2 holes either side. I'm going to countersink these 2 so the screw falls in nice and flat in the frame. And then you can attach your legs. And that's your table nearly done. It's going to line up the top planks. I'm using 4 planks. I'm not going to cut these whatsoever because my table is made to the measurements of these planks. They have an overhang on either end and a little overhang on the side as well. Just make sure the overhang is the same on all the sides. Then I had some pre-drilled holes in the frame, and through this you're gonna attach the planks to the bottom of the frame. Do the ends first, then you can flip your table over to do the middle as well. And that's your table done. So now you know how easy it is to make your own garden table. My table's been out there for 2-3 years now, and it's seen a few little different looks. So the first summer the table stayed unpainted, and I went through lots of barbecues and breakfast, coffee time, playtime, made a lot of potions on this table. But then at one point I did have to paint it for a photo shoot, and I painted it grey with like a terrazzo speckle. It stayed this way for one summer and looked really fun in the garden. And last summer I painted the tabletop white and it looked really nice as well. And now it's in need of a new coat of paint. But instead of painting, I thought let's do something completely different. What it is? Well, you just have to find out next week when you tune in for a new episode here on Handmade Home.